Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we will be talking about writing task of Duolingo English test. Mainly we are talking about long writing. There are mainly 4 tasks of writing. The first one is write from dictation, second one is describe the image, third one is write your response within 50 words, means you are provided a question and you have to write minimum 50 words, maximum you can write about 100 also. And this is graded part, means you are getting scores of this. And the next one is written response. You have to write as much as you can write within 3 to 5 minutes. It's ungraded part. And here also you are provided with 5 minutes, and here also. So what you have to do, you have total time, that is 5 minutes 20 seconds. Now you will say that the task is of 5 minutes. How we can say that it's 5 minutes 20 seconds? When the question is displayed on your screen, that the time limit of that, so that you could read the question and you can generate your ideas, you are provided with 20 seconds. That 20 seconds, and after that you have to write for 5 minutes. So the total is 5 minutes 20 seconds. 20 seconds you can read the question and you can generate your ideas, make your points, make content. After that you have to write for 5 minutes. So now move to the next one. There are topic types. Which types of topics are coming into Duolingo English test? The first one is opinion based, that is agree, disagree. And the second one is descriptive. It can be related to any geographical location or to describe any person or any sports. It can be anything, only description. And the third one is day-to-day situation. Nowadays whatever is happening in your society, that can be related to that. And there are many more types also, like problems and solutions. Here is one example, that the population is increasing day by day. What are the causes of it and what measures can be taken to solve this problem? So this is a problem solution essay. So what you have to do, you can make 2 to 3 paragraphs for your questions. If you are provided with one question, only one statement that is given and the question is asked, for that what you have to do, you just have to respond your answer simply, means you don't have to make any kind of paragraph. You can write whatever you want to write. But if you are provided with a question like problem solutions, agree, disagree, then what you have to do, you have to use connectors also, and you have to write it like an essay. First you will give an introduction line, after that like problems and solutions. In the second paragraph you will tell about the problems, and in the third one you will tell about solutions, and the last you will conclude by giving one line of conclusion. And similarly it's with opinion based, but there are some questions in which that are divided in parts. For example, the topic is describe your typical weekend. This is the first question, and with that the one more question is given, that is what activities you do that makes your weekend more enjoyable and why. And the next question more, that is interlinked with that what things you are doing that makes your day special, as well as what you are doing for Monday planning. Means this is the question, that what things you are doing that you are planning for to do on Monday. And for these type of questions, what you have to do, you have to move line wise. And the first question was describe your typical weekend. Firstly you will write about your weekend. After that whatever was the next question, that you have to tell, and after that you have to move to the third question, and after that you have to conclude. But this is very important to use connectors, and whenever the question, the first part of the question completed, and at that time you have to use the connectors and change the paragraphs also, so that it will look productive also. And please, this one more request is there, you have to use vocabulary. You can use synonyms as much as you can, and use variety of sentence formations, sentence structures, so that you could get good scores. So thank you and have a nice day.